Welcome to the virtual tour of 5A Antonie Avenue in Delahey. This property is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit with a single lock-up garage, located in a lovely quiet street of Delahey, close to all amenities such as water gardens, the train station, and other restaurants and cafes. With security at the forefront of this property, there are large security entry gates, a nice low maintenance front yard, security shutters on all of the windows, as well as a security doorbell. As we enter through the security door, that is our doorbell. Crim safe security doors. And as we enter in, we find ourselves in an open plan living area. So walk straight in, the kitchen is straight ahead, and we have open plan living. The kitchen has laminated bench tops, 5-burner gas stove, dishwasher, double sink, external roller shutters, and a pantry. The master bedroom is fully tiled. Security shutters on the windows. This room faces the street. Large walk-in robe, as well as the ensuite with basin and shower. Again, roller shutters on the windows. Just past the living area, we have 2 further bedrooms, a bathroom and a laundry. So this is bedroom number 2. There's no carpet at all in any of the bedrooms. There's security shutters on all the windows, and there is ducted heating as well as evaporative cooling. That's bedroom 2, and right next to it is bedroom 3. Past both bedrooms, we have the 2nd bathroom. Bath, vanity, and shower. And right next to that is the toilet. And right next to that is the laundry. Plenty of cupboards, bench space, and heaps of room for washing machine and dryer. In the rear yard, you can access this through the laundry or through the living room. There is a single lock-up garage with a double roller door, and that will take you straight into the living room. And this is a complete undercover area. As we exit the undercover area, we are then greeted by a private yard with 2 sheds. Please note that during this video, the property is yet to be managed, cleaned, and ready for tenancy. So please disregard its condition. This will be attended to prior to any tenancy.